One of the most intriguing aspects of the upcoming iPad Mini 7 is the potential for a name change. By aligning the device with Apple's Pro lineup, the iPad Mini Pro moniker suggests a focus on enhanced features and capabilities that cater to professional users and demanding applications. This rebranding could signal a shift in Apple's approach to the compact tablet market, positioning the iPad Mini as a powerful tool for productivity and creativity. While many Apple fans have been clamoring for the introduction of OLED screens in the iPad Mini lineup, it appears that this highly anticipated feature may be delayed until 2026. However, if the iPad Mini 7 does indeed undergo a Pro rebranding, it is likely to feature a Pro Motion display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, providing users with a more fluid and responsive visual experience. In the absence of a Pro designation, the iPad Mini 7 is expected to retain a standard LED display, which still offers excellent color accuracy and brightness. Under the hood, the iPad Mini 7 is expected to be powered by either the A17 Pro or A18 Pro chip, depending on the timing of its release. These advanced chipsets promise significant improvements in performance and energy efficiency, allowing the iPad Mini 7 to handle demanding tasks and multitasking with ease. However, due to the compact nature of the device and the constraints on battery capacity, it is unlikely that the current generation will include the more powerful M2 or M4 chips found in larger iPad models. One notable change in the iPad Mini 7's design is the horizontal placement of the selfie camera. This shift aims to enhance the user experience during video calls, as it allows for a more natural and engaging perspective when the device is used in landscape orientation. Additionally, Apple is expected to implement improved screen manufacturing techniques to mitigate the jelly scrolling effect that some users have reported in previous models. By addressing this issue, the iPad Mini 7 will provide a smoother and more consistent display experience across all applications. As the release of the iPad Mini 7 draws closer, Apple fans and technology enthusiasts have plenty to be excited about. With the potential for a Pro rebranding, advanced chipsets, improved display technology, and new storage options, the iPad Mini 7 is shaping up to be a compelling addition to Apple's tablet lineup. Whether you're a professional seeking a powerful and portable device for work, or an everyday user looking for a compact and versatile tablet, the iPad Mini 7 promises to deliver an exceptional user experience. It is important to note that while the iPad Mini 7 is expected to bring several improvements and advancements, some features may not make the cut in this generation. For example, the inclusion of a mini LED display is unlikely, as this technology is currently reserved for higher-end iPad models. Similarly, the presence of a promotion display will likely depend on whether the device is positioned as a Pro model. Price rumors for the Apple iPad Mini 7 predictably point to a $500 entry point for the Wi-Fi model, similar to the iPad Mini 6. The Wi-Fi Plus cellular version is expected to begin at $650. Apple is unlikely to raise the price significantly for an iterative release, keeping the iPad Mini 7 within a familiar and accessible price range. As we eagerly await the official announcement and release of the iPad Mini 7 in mid-September 2024, it is clear that Apple continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in the compact tablet market. By combining innovative technology with sleek design and user-centric features, the iPad Mini 7 is poised to set a new standard for small-scale tablets and solidify Apple's position as a leader in the industry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.